Hello students, welcome to offline teaching session of Sri Varna Vidyalaya Varnanagar. Today we will see the remaining part of the lesson, Excuses a Skit. Mrs. Sen, and it wasn't there. Ritesh, no ma'am, it was there all right. But there was a huge, hairy, brown dog sitting on it. I didn't know what to do. Mrs. Sen, interesting. A dog on a bag in a shop. Ritesh, yes, ma'am. Even the shopkeeper was surprised. He didn't know where the dog had come from, how that dog rolled. We tried all kinds of things to make it move, whistling and clapping, and showing him the stick, but he wouldn't budge. And I couldn't live without my school bag. New words. Growl means angry sounds made by animals. Budge means move. Explanation. Ritesh says, no ma'am, bag was alright, but there was a huge, hairy brown dog sitting on it. I didn't know what to do. Mrs. Sen exclaimed, interesting. The dog on a bag in a shop. Ritesh replied, yes, ma'am. Even the shopkeeper was surprised. And he didn't know where the dog had come from. We tried all kinds of things to make it move. But the dog didn't move. And ma'am, I couldn't live without my school bag. Mrs. Sen, but I see that you got your bag finally. Ritesh, yes, ma'am. Finally, the shopkeeper gave me some biscuits. I offered the biscuits to the dog and lured him away from the bag. Mrs. Sen, okay, so let's say that accounts for 15 minutes. New words. Lured means attract to do something. Accounts for means reports what happened. Ritesh, but there is more, ma'am. The poor dog began to follow me to school. It looked so poor and lonely and small. Mrs. Sen, small? Did you say small? Ritesh, I mean young ma'am. It was big in size, but it was only a puppy, really. And it looked lost. Maybe it was looking for its mother or owner, and I thought it was asking for my help. So I began an inquiry with the other shopkeepers and passengers by. But nobody could tell and couldn't leave it behind. Explanation. Mrs. Sen says, you got your bag finally. Ritesh replied, yes, ma'am. The shopkeeper gave me some biscuits and I offered it to the dog and he made him ready to move away from the bag. Mrs. Sen says, so let's say that report of happened in 15 minutes. Ritesh adds, the poor dog began to follow to school looking poor, lonely and small. Mrs. Sen, question, small? Did you say small? Ritesh replied, I mean young ma'am. It was just a puppy and it looked lost. Maybe it was looking for its mother or owner. I decided help the puppy. So I began to inquire about it. Mrs. Sen, and then you found the owner. Who was it? Ritesh, that is the funny part, ma'am. The puppy itself found the owner. It saw someone across the road and just bounded towards the person. I was so relieved. Then I turned and ran straight to school. New words. Relieved means no longer worried. Mrs. Sen, good boy. Now that are your good deeds are done, there is something else you can do. There is a story writing competition coming up. Would you like to send an entry? Ritesh, who ma'am? Me ma'am? Now I wouldn't know what to write. I am not good at making up stories. Explanation. Mrs. Sen says, you found the owner. Who was it? Ritesh says, that's funny, ma'am. The puppy itself found the owner. I was so relieved. And I turned back to school. Good boy. Now your good deeds are done. There is something else you can do. There is a story writing competition coming up. Would you like to take part? Ritesh says, who ma'am? Me ma'am. I wouldn't know what to write. I am not good in making stories. So students, today we completed this chapter. Solve the margin questions and English workshop of this lesson in your English notebook. Students, lesson number 2.5, A Heroine of the Sea, is omitted from our 8th standard English portion. So, in next video, we will start Unit 3, first poem, Why? Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.